Well, there are fears for human rights in the country now that the Taliban has taken over. Sunita Viswanath is from the organisation Women for Afghan Women. She explained the situation on the ground and said the future is uncertain for women and children.
We have several hundred staff, several hundred clients, the women and families and children that we serve, and all of their families who are at grave risk at this moment. We, over the last month or so, more than a month, have been evacuating slowly all our provinces and bringing people to Kabul. So luckily that had been done before August 15th. And at this point, everybody that is in Kabul is just sort of hiding while the city of Kabul is in utter chaos. And we are hearing from our staff that there is a lot of fighting, looting, kidnapping. People are our clients especially, are very scared and just sort of hiding out. And all of us who are not in Afghanistan, are working night and day to organize safety passage for everybody that we can get, either on people who are very, very high risk to get on planes out, and people who cannot get on those planes to make sure they're safe wherever they are and have somewhere to go. This has been the 24/7 priority for all of us, and that's what I've been working on with my colleagues. Really, we don't know. We don't know anything except that right now. There's nothing else to say, nothing else to do. There will be a time soon where we will know where the dust settles and what is possible. Right now, we have no idea. And so soon, I hope that all of our people will be safe and we can answer other questions about what is possible, whether we can keep working, in what form, what work we can keep doing in this new Afghanistan. But all of that is for the future. We have one priority right now, which is to keep our people alive and safe.
How much has life changed for Afghan women over the past 20 years?
Well, when we started in 2001, we started in New York. 2003, we went to Afghanistan. We were building things from scratch. When we arrived in Kabul, we saw rubble. All of our programs, all of the infrastructures, the schools, the universities had really come to a standstill and were being built up, from nothing. And so we witnessed there being basically nothing working, to today, well, not today, but until very recently, girls could, count on going to school. Women could count on working and going to university. So women could enter politics. Women ran for president. Our staff in Women for Afghan Women are half men, half women. That too is an incredible statement on the Afghanistan that has come to evolve, which is that women's rights work for women and children and families was done equally by men and women working together. That too is a sign of a functioning, thriving, egalitarian society.